Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to use COUNTIF in Google Sheets. First, click on any empty cell where you want your result to appear. You'll see it highlight with a blue border. This is where the count will show up. Now type equals COUNTIF, opening parenthesis. As you type, you'll see the text appear in both the cell and the formula bar at the top of the screen. Google Sheets will also pop up a function autocomplete dropdown. Next, select the range of cells you want to evaluate. Click and drag across the data you want to count, or if you prefer, just type the range manually, something like A2 through A100. Once you select it, the range will highlight with a colored border, and the reference will appear in your formula. Type a comma. This separates your range from the criterion you're about to add. Now enter your criterion. This is the condition you want to count. If you're counting text, type it in quotation marks, like paid. If you're counting numbers that meet a condition, use an operator in quotes too, like 100 for anything greater than 100. If you're checking for an exact number match, you don't need quotes. Finally, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and press enter. The formula executes immediately, and you'll see a number appear in the cell. That's your count. A couple of useful things to know. The result updates automatically whenever the data in your range changes, so you don't need to re-enter the formula. COUNTIF isn't case sensitive, so paid, and paid all count as the same thing. And you can copy this formula to other cells if you need to run the same count elsewhere in your sheet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe for more Google Sheets tutorials.